Everyone, it's Nate Savage here, and this month's giveaway is here. I'm super excited about it. It is a high-end Yamaha acoustic guitar, and a lot of people don't know that Yamaha makes high-end acoustic guitars. They're more known for like their $200 or $300 range guitars, but this one is super nice. What I did is I just went on Yamaha's website, picked out the nicest guitar I could find that I would like, all the specs that I would like, and bought that for this month's giveaway. It is a Yamaha A3M, solid Sitka spruce top, solid mahogany back and sides, a really nice preamp on it, and it sounds just fantastic. So if you want to enter for your chance to win this incredible guitar, just click the link in the description and enter your email address there. We'll be giving this away on April 23rd.